Happy morning, children. I welcome you all for the online information technology class. Let's do our activity, children, this week. Now, this is the last lesson of our presentation. So, do the project work which is given on page number 75 and 76 in your textbook and submit the same to your IT teacher on the reopening day of the school. In the last video, we learnt on how to insert animation and transition. So in this video, we will be learning on how to insert audio file, video file and how to work with action buttons in PowerPoint presentation. Music or sound effects will completely give new dimension to the presentation. We will now learn to add our sound effects to our presentation. Sounds can be added by three different ways. The first one is from audio from file. Second one is from clip art audio. Third one by recording the audio. We will now learn to insert sound clips. I told you in the previous slide that sound clips can be inserted in three different ways. The first way we are going to learn audio from file. We will now learn to insert sound by the method audio from file. So to do this, what you need to do, you need to click on the slide for which you would like to insert sound. That's your step 1. Step 2 is you need to click on the insert tab. So when you click on the insert tab, you find a group called media. So when you click on the media group, you find two options. One is a video option, the other one is your audio option. Continuing the steps to insert audio clips, your first step is you will have to click on the audio button and choose audio from file. The fifth step is choose the music file which you would like to insert in your slide. Sixth step is you will have to click on the insert option so that your music file gets inserted onto the slide. Usage of audio tools. When you insert music file into your slide, you will find a speaker icon like this coming up, which tells you that the file is inserted. So when you insert this speaker file, you will find two additional tabs, format and playback, coming up as audio tools. So when you click on the playback option, you will find a lot of groups coming like preview, bookmark, editing, audio options. And in the audio option, you can always adjust your volume. And there is a keyword called start. So there are two options in start. One is automatically, the other one is on click. So what do you mean by automatic? The automatic option will start the sound automatically as soon as a slide appears in the slideshow view. So what do you mean by then on click? The on click option will play the sound only when you click. There is one more option called play across the slides. So play across the slides, when the slide is getting played, you will find that the sound gets played automatically. There is an option called loop until stopped. Can you see that very adjacent to on click option? So loop until stopped will allow you to continuously loop the audio file till you stop it by pressing your escape key. Similarly, there is a play button available. So to play sound, click on the speaker icon. The play or the pause button appears right below the speaker icon. Our next topic is to insert audio from clip art audio. To do this, your first step is to click on the insert tab. Second step is you need to click on the media group. Third step is you need to click on the audio option and then you need to select your clip art audio. Continuing the steps, your step 4 is to type the music which you are searching for in the search for dialog box, and all the related music will be displayed. Choose a one so that your music is getting inserted. We will now learn to add video clips. Video clips always add liveliness to the presentation. We can add video clips from the Microsoft Clipart Gallery, which contains a wide range of art, sound and video clips. Video clips can also be added from any CD-ROM drive. So if you want to add the video clips, these are the following steps. The first step is you need to select the slide. Step 2 is you need to click on the Insert tab. Step 3 is you need to click on the media group. There will be two options. One is video, the other one is audio. Continuing the steps to insert video clip. Step 4, you will have to click on the video button and choose video from file option. Step 5, the videos will be displayed. You will have to choose your relevant video file. Step 6, you will have to click on the insert option. The video will get inserted onto the slide. We will now learn the steps to insert video from clipart video. To do this, our step 1 is go to Insert tab. Step 2 is you need to click on the media group. In the media group, you will have to choose video, and in the video option, you will have to choose clipart video. That should be a step 3. Continuing the steps to insert video from clipart video. Your step 4 is you need to type the video which you are searching for in the search for dialog box and then click on the go button. Once you do this, all the related videos will be displayed. And your step 6 is click on the video which you want. Automatically the video will get inserted. We will now learn the usage of video tools. The format and the playback tabs appear whenever you click on the inserted video. You can format the inserted video by clicking on the format tab and selecting various formatting options from it. Click on the inserted video clip and select the play button. The video will start playing. The timeline next to the play button will begin to advance. Click anywhere on the timeline to jump to any specific part of the video. When you click Start automatically, the video will play automatically on the slide. When you click on Start on click, the video will play only when you click. Our last topic for this lesson is using action buttons. In PowerPoint, we have the facility to link to a web page, an email address, a file, a slide in the same presentation, and a slide in a different presentation. It can be done using hyperlinks and action buttons. Now let's learn what are action buttons. Action buttons are built-in button shapes that you can add to a presentation and set to link to another slide, play a sound, or perform some other action. We can also assign these actions to clipart, pictures, or the text in SmartArt graphics. When one clicks or hovers the mouse pointer on the button, the selected action will occur. Now let's learn the steps to insert action button. Step 1, you need to go to the Insert tab. Step 2, click on the Illustrations group. Step 3, you will find the shapes and there will be a drop down menu which is appearing when you click on the shapes. Step 4, click on the action button option. Select the desired action button from the bottom of the list. Click and drag the mouse diagonally. As soon as the mouse button is released, the action setting dialog box will appear. So when you click on the action setting dialog box, there will be two actions which are set. One is mouse over. This means the action button will perform its action when you move the mouse over it. Mouse click. This means the action button will perform its action only when clicked. In the action on click section, select Hyper to. Then click the drop down arrow and choose any option from the menu. For example, you can either link to the previous slide or the first slide or the last slide. To link to the file created to another program in the hyperlink to list, click on the other file. Similarly, you can also select the play sound checkbox if you want to play a sound when the action is clicked. Select the sound either from the drop-down menu or select other sound to use a sound file on your computer. Click on OK. Now press F5 key to view the slideshow. Click on the action button in the slideshow and observe the action. We will meet again in the next video class, children. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.